Okay, welcome back to another DIY video. Before that, don't forget subscribe DIY Rahim Al Haya. Okay, today's we gonna make the face mask in 1 minute with no shoe. And here are the materials: handkerchief, and then rubber band or bracelet. I'm using bracelet in this video. I'm using my old bracelet. This is my bracelet. I'm using this one. And then we have ribbon, but I'm using red ribbon here, 45 centimeters, and then measurement, and then scissors, pin or needle, and let's go. If you have small handkerchief, you can do it this way in triangle shape. If you have bigger size of handkerchief, you can fold it this way.